All right, here's my new safe. It's a Silas C. Herring, 1852. As you can see, look, it's as big as that. It's bigger than that 55-gallon drum. Silas C. Herring. Now down here, it's got herring fish on the side of it. Silas C. Herring and Company. Fireproof, safe. 1852. They only made with his name on it from 52 to like 64 or 66. And then it's Feral Herring. This one's made in New York City. The newer company's made in Philadelphia. As you can see, New York. All right. Now, I do not have, this is not a combination safe. And it's locked. I do not have the key to it. It takes a special key that fits in here. If you look in there, I don't know if you can see or not. There's 6 holes in there that the key fits in. You slide it in there, and then when you turn this dial, down in here somewhere, it catches that key, and then you can turn it, and then it'll pull the pins in so you can open the door. But I don't have that key. I don't know if you can see them in there or not. I'll show you what it looks like. That's what the key looks like that fits in there. I'm going to make one to open this. I'll make a separate video of how to make the key, or how I made the key that'll fit in there. Yeah, it's got to fit in there just right, so this can go over it. Once you push it in, it catches it. You know, then this would turn. When this gets back around to here, the key jumps out. They call it a grasshopper safe. It's got handles on the sides, which you'd never be able to lift it. This weighs like 800. But this little, if you look at this, there's some men working there. I don't know what, or he's sitting there. Maybe he's drunk. I don't know. There's a couple there. But that's a test furnace. They put the safes in there, burn them, and then see how good it works. Look at this little safe here that's built in that, even has a door on it. All right, I'll let you know when I get the key made, and then I'll make another video of opening the door so we can see what's inside it. All right.